Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for coming today. Thank you for stopping by. So it is time that we let rice rest. Yes, rice. It's not every time you have to cook rice. Sometimes you need to just let it rest. So if you're looking for an alternative to rice, something healthy, something filling, and something that can actually taste good, then you need to try this. This is quinoa. It's rich in protein, it's very nutritious, and when you cook it properly, it tastes amazing. Today I'll be showing you how I make my simple stir-fried quinoa. It's easy, it's quick, and it doesn't require any stretch at all. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos, okay? Thank you so much. Now let's get straight into it. The very first thing you want to do when cooking quinoa is to wash it properly. This step is very important because quinoa has a natural coating that can taste bitter if you don't rinse it well. So add the quinoa into a bowl and pour in some water and rinse it thoroughly. I like to rinse mine 2 or 3 times until the water looks clear. Once that's done, sieve it and set it aside. Now let's cook it. I like to cook mine plain first, so go on to transfer that into a pot, add some water and a bit of salt. At this stage, I'm not adding any seasoning yet because I'll be flavoring it later during the stir fry. But if you want to season yours, you can do it at this point, okay? Now bring that to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it cook gently. You don't want the quinoa to dry out too much, so keep an eye on it. And once it's cooked, take it off the heat and cover it. Let it steam in its own heat. So you want to leave some water in. When it's boiling like that, you reduce the heat, just leave a little bit of water and cover the pot. It's going to cook in its own steam, okay? While the quinoa is resting, let's move on to the vegetable. For this recipe, I'm using onions, bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, parsnips, carrots, and green peas. You can absolutely use any vegetable you like here. Quinoa is very versatile, so feel free to customize this to your taste or to whatever you have at home. Now go ahead and chop all your vegetables and set them aside. Now place a pan on medium heat and add some butter. You can also use oil if you prefer, but butter gives it a really nice flavor. Add the onions first, saute that with a little salt. Fry the onions until they are soft and fragrant. Once that's done, add the other vegetables first, like the carrots, the parsnips, because they take a bit longer to cook. Stir fry it for a few minutes and then go ahead and spice it up. You can add your pepper, you can add your curry powder, paprika, or any seasoning you enjoy. Just don't overdo it, okay? You want the flavor to complement the quinoa, not overpower it. Here, I already have my mixed seasoning, and it's basically smoked paprika, chili flakes, parsley, basil, seasoning cube, onion and garlic powder, all mixed together. So that is what I'm using here. The next thing you want to do is to add the bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, and green peas. Stir everything together and fry until the vegetables are just tender but still colorful. You don't want it to be overcooked. Now go on to add the quinoa into the pan and gently stir fry everything together. Take your time here, okay? So the quinoa is going to absorb all the flavors from the vegetables and the spices. So gently stir fry it. You can be adding this in batches as well so that you could get to every part. Go ahead to taste for salt and adjust if you need more pepper, if you need more salt. This is the time to check for it. And once that's done and you're satisfied with the taste, your quinoa is ready. That's just it. It's easy, it's simple. Your stir-fried quinoa is ready. Quinoa doesn't have to be boring, it doesn't have to be plain, it doesn't have to be bland. When you cook it like this, it's just colorful, it's flavorful, and it's very satisfying. Now let's talk briefly about why quinoa is such a great option. Quinoa is high in protein, which makes it very filling. It's also rich in fiber and contains essential nutrients that are great for your body. So if you're trying to reduce your rice intake, you're trying to eat healthier, or just switch things up in your kitchen, quinoa is a very good substitute. And the best part is that it doesn't take long to cook at all. This entire meal comes together really quickly. You can serve this quinoa with any protein of your choice. Today I'll be serving mine with fish. You can pair it with chicken, turkey, shrimp, or even enjoy it on its own. Now to finish off, I'm going to be garnishing it with some chopped green onions. Just add that to give it a bit of a color and the final touch. And look at how colorful and inviting this looks. This is healthy food. It doesn't have to look boring, as I said earlier, and it definitely doesn't have to taste boring as well. I served this to my husband and he absolutely loved it.
Baby.
This has been added to our home menu. I will definitely be making more of it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, okay? Let me know in the comments if you've tried quinoa before or if this is your first time of seeing how to make it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye.